Millennium Line train to Lafarge Lake, Douglas. The next station is Renfrew. The next station is Gilmore.
bunch of shit, and then my admin card, everything, and then fucking when we get pulled over or whatever, I'm trying to give a few days a name, right? And then fucking they're not believing it, right? And so I'm like, okay, yeah, and then I fucking all I'm worried about this one, I know I'm going to jail at this point, kind of, right?
Yeah.
I had the feeling, and then so now I'm worried about my bills, right? So I put my side leg in my crotch like this, and I'm asking to get out. I got out of the car, left my side leg in there, and then I'm like this, how am I gonna get this in my butt? And then I'm like this, I'm like that, this, I'm like this, and then I go yes, I'm like, and they just start putting it, and then I just like put it in my fucking cheeks and get it, and then took me all down and shit, right? And then at that point when I'm on my face and they're like detaining me, right? Fucking the little tubs and fucking Richie to leave. They're driving away. And I'm like, my side bag! That's what And then, out of all that, I'm fucking pissed. And now I'm gonna go, I'm sick. Because they found the fucking shit was on the road all the way into the regular, but they had the body scan machine. I never knew about it. You know? Boom, and then I got put in
The next station is Burnaby Lake.
I get on a second, some guy was like, oh, there were too many fucking bad people. You know, remember Troy? And Habibi? And fucking the other kid that was moving the hole and Anna and whatever. Yeah. Like those kids, they were in there and fucking I seen him, oh, you seen him a long time. What's up? Come sit here. But there's like 8 people at the back table and he's like, okay, sit here. Like there's the next back table. There's some other guys like, don't worry about that. Really, it was 9. He's like, oh, it's my bro, man. Don't worry about it. And he kept like yapping off under his breath. And I'm like, what? And I was dope sick. And I'm like, what? Like, and then, but then when like I got, like I didn't even try to contact him or anything, right?
Right.
But then I get a letter. Hey, what's up, bro? I put $60 in my account. Put $60, okay? So there's $1,500 plus the cards, right? But let alone that, the money from the Bose thing, okay? That we had in the back of the seat. That was half of the money from that. Then it's supposed to get 120, right? She was supposed to get 100, right? I got 60. And then I get out, right? And I'm like, yo, where's my money? Like, both of us, what's up? And they're playing the I don't know fucking role, right? Like, I don't know. Are you kidding me? Tell me, like, you know, so stupid, and then fucking, I'm putting it on Richie. Richie's like, oh, no, but like, later that night after they see Jay with that post thing, right? Ashley said to drop me off at the casino to Richie. So I'm like, okay, I don't doubt that, right? Nice, get up, man.
I'm listening now.
Yeah, too many rum and eggnog.
No. Continue.
And then fucking, yeah, Richie just like, pretty much it. That's where everybody's did you count it? Did you trust you? So you fucking all this shit. That's where probably all that comes from because fucking I was fucking giving fucking actually like some of it. You know what I mean? Like I was giving her most of it, but I was still taxing, right?
Yeah.
I got back my money double from both of them. Yeah, I got back three and a half grand from Ashley and fucking like 2,700 from Richie. Because like right when I had Richie, that's when I rented the U-Haul and I was doing the big plays, bro.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I was doing the big play, making way more money.
Yeah.
But Richie was still getting paid the same amount as.
Yeah, his stack, your stack.
Yeah, but I'm smarter than that, bro. I'm not gonna go like this and go like, oh yeah, like this and peel them off in front of me, man. I'm gonna have it in my pocket to give you. I'm gonna have my shit in my pocket.
Yeah. Yeah, but make them look good. They're gonna try to get them jealous.
But I'm paying for a U-Haul, I'm paying for a hotel.
Oh, that's right.
I'm paying for all this shit, and then fucking, what was it?
That's when you had
Yeah, but this is what pissed me off the most about Richie. Was, like, he had to bring his fucking goof to work, man. His goof to work.
That's not.
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
In a fucking two-seater van, you know what I mean? Like, there's no seatbelts in the back. She's like floating around.
Yeah, two-seater bag.
Yeah, bro. And we just came from like Pete's van, right?
Yeah.
And it's fucking snapped from the fucking house, right? But like, lucky I got these trash cans and these blankets. So it doesn't look like, I got on that day, like, maybe an hour before. And then we put it all in there, and then Jessica's like, yeah, we go. And she's like this, and then we go, like, cover yourself up.
Right?
Like, you're lying on the bed, like, cover yourself up, right?
Yeah.
And she goes like this, she covers everything but her fucking head. And Bob's like, what the fuck? And then I'm like, she's like, what the fuck? Now, why would you cover your head? Oh, you never told me to. Are you stupid?
The next station is Junction Way University. Change here for the Expo line.
Yeah, bro. Not right. Yeah, at all.
She got her blonde, and then next you know, like a fat tub from that her blonde.
What are you talking about?
What did she got her blonde?
Where are you?
Blonde split? Together? Alright.
Well,
I'm getting swing shades on.
yeah. What's that time?
Future.
Snap time, dude.
The future.
This is a Millennium line train to Lafarge Lake, Dublin.
What?
My apologies.